So I'm watching fireworks. What's interesting is that you guys are watching them right this second, except you're not seeing the actual fireworks. I mean, besides the fact that it's a video, this is a fun little trick. I didn't even do this on purpose, it just kind of worked out. I set my phone down just to see what it would look like without holding it. And what you're seeing is actually the reflection off my friend's hood. I'm going to pick the phone up for the finale, which I'm hoping is going to be in the next few minutes here. I wanted to make the video a few minutes long, but not obnoxious. So, this is fun. I'm just going to shut up and enjoy the show, so you can do the same. It's cool. Oh my. Some of these are really, really high. These are really good fireworks. They're going like way up there. Oh, it's the finale? Maybe? Maybe it's the beginning of it. I don't know. Ooh. This is the finale. I'm gonna lift the phone so you can see the actual fireworks. Oh my. Hold this up as well as I can. There we go. My friend's got the truck running right now. He's got his running lights on because he's blocking an intersection a little bit. The fireworks started and we realized we were in a bad spot, so we just kind of found a spot and took it. But it's okay. Alright. Ooh. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. The finale is always the best part. It's been going for like 15 minutes already, so I'm thinking the finale will be soon. I don't know for sure. Maybe they got more fireworks than I knew. Oops. Oh, there it goes. I was gonna say I heard it go, but I didn't see it. Oh. Doo-doo-doo. I don't know what they're chanting, but there's a bunch of kids down the street yelling something. That was weird. Whoosh. So pretty. That was the yellow-blue, the Ukraine colors. I wonder if that was on purpose for them. I don't know. Maybe. I wouldn't doubt it. If this video ends up becoming longer than intended, I'll put in a timestamp in the comments for when the finale begins if you want to skip all the slow stuff. I'll put it in a pinned comment. Oop. Oosh. Another yellow and blue. Man, I wish I had started sooner because there was a heart there was like two different heart ones near the beginning. One was like a heart just by itself, and another was like a pedestal. I don't know, it was like on a table. I don't know, it was weird. It was really cool though. It's like a square box with a heart on top of it. It was pretty impressive. I'd never seen it before. I've seen hearts by themselves though. It's kind of insane that they can make these things look like actual shapes and stuff. Like, how does that even work? I could probably Google it, but I won't. At least not right now. Maybe later if I think about it. I sure would hate to be an animal right now. I'm sure this is upsetting an awful lot of local dogs. Probably cats too. Maybe not as much though. Dogs are just crazy about fireworks. More than even cats, I think. Cats are like, whatever, we own the world anyways. Going on 7 minutes. My phone used to stop recording videos after like 22 or 23 minutes or something, but earlier my friend started the phone and it went for a 29-minute video. I was like, holy cow. I deleted the video because I had no intentions of doing anything with it, but look at that. Now I think it's the finale. Like I said, I'll put a timestamp in the comments. Woohoo! So pretty. This is in Oregon, Wisconsin, by the way. They have a whole festival and stuff this whole weekend. Bingo, carnival ride, all that. Woo! Holy crap. I'm gonna have to put a seizure warning on this one. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. That was loud and bright. Alright, well, there you have it, y'all. I will put details in the description and all that later. But anyway, remember to take care of your pets. They'll take care of you. We'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.